This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alejandro Bendayan. Old Spanish home in Shenandoah, in move-in shape, just completely painted on the inside and awaiting to paint the outside as well. Separate laundry on garage for tenants' use. Backyard maintained by landlord. Large barbecue. Split bedroom floor plan, large living room or great room as you enter this quaint home in the neighborhood nobody wants to leave. Utilities included, electric, water and sewer, trash refuse, parking, $100 application fees per adult. See attachments. Tenants shall provide proof of renter's insurance prior to closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Alejandro Bendayan at 305-785-3906.